Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can hide your profile, or rather hide your resume on Indeed. So let's get right into it. But before I do, let me quickly explain what Indeed is and how it functions. Now, Indeed is a run-of-the-mill hiring application such as LinkedIn. It is very similar, in fact, to LinkedIn, and on it you can, if you're an employer, put up job listings where people can apply so that you can find perfect employees or the best employees that you can find online, and of course manage your applicants for your job much more easily, and so on and so forth. But if you're a job seeker, you can search for jobs based on certain keywords such as job titles or company names, or even cities, countries, and so on and so forth. And you can also directly contact your employers through the instant messaging app if you find an employer. But what else you can do is you can make your online resume just like you can on LinkedIn. Now, once you make your resume, you have the option of either being searchable or non-searchable. This is what you want to pay attention to once you're creating your profile, whether you want to be discovered or not. But if you accidentally put that you're searchable, and keep in mind, if you don't have a resume, I'm pretty sure that you aren't searchable at all, so your profile will be hidden. But if you created a resume and put that you're searchable and you want to change that, let me show you quickly how that is done. Go to your profile tab by clicking on the far right icon and clicking on profile, and once you're here, you will have your profile page. Once you're here, click on your resume. As you can see, mine is non-searchable, but it doesn't matter. Once you're here, just click on this tab up in the top right, and if you're searchable, this will be selected. If you want to be non-searchable and hide your account, just click non-searchable, click save, and that is all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you next time.